10 in the morning, but I love ice cream, so I don't know what we're doing.
Good morning, guys. This is literally the first time I'm talking today, so my voice is probably crazy. I decided I'm going to do a full day of eating today for YouTube because I have never really done one. I don't post my food a ton on Instagram. I do more workouts. So today we're going to get a full day of eating. So yeah, I just woke up. I'm going to go have some breakfast soon, and I will show you what that is. We have some strawberries and blueberries, some protein oatmeal with peanut butter, and my coffee with some Truvia in it. And that is breakfast. And I'm obsessed with little forks and spoons. Don't know why. I don't know why, but I am. That's my breakfast. So it is 8:17. I'm gonna have some breakfast and some coffee now, and then I'll just catch up with you guys throughout the rest of the day. All right, so it is 10 a.m. We're on coffee number 2. I have my blue light glasses on. Don't laugh at me. I'm doing a lot of computer work today. Just finished up making my 8-minute ab guide, which I'm super excited about. Just shared that online. And I have a lot more work to do. So I'm going to eat some Enlightened ice cream. Oops. Okay. This is hard filming yourself. We need some Enlightened movie night. Like, I know it's literally 10 in the morning, but I love ice cream, so I don't know what we're doing. I look like such a nerd right now, but yeah. So I eat really random things. I used to track macros, but I don't anymore. I feel like I kind of know what my body needs. I could kind of tell if I need more protein, if I need more whatever. Sorry, this is really hard to film. So I try to have like protein, a carb, and some veggies and some kind of fat source with every meal. But I pretty much kind of just go with the flow. I try to eat healthy for the most part, but I don't stress it if I don't. And I know this is like the low calorie ice cream or whatever, but I truly like how it tastes. So like it's almost gone, but there's like caramel swirls and chocolate chips. And it's so good. So if you never had this flavor, try it out. So anyways, yeah, I coach all my clients with macro counting because I think it's a really good way to learn portion sizes and just like overall what your body needs. Because most of the girls that I coach come to me actually under eating. So it kind of shows them like eating more food can really give you a lot more energy. You know, you'll just feel a lot better, a lot different. They don't really realize that they're under eating so much, because that was me too. I was under eating for the longest time until I competed, and I realized like how much I actually needed for just my daily activities. So now I kind of know how much I need to eat without putting it in an app every day, but I think it's a really good tool to learn your body. And then the goal is, once you're like super comfortable with that you don't have to go in that app every single day and track your food. You just kind of, you know, like nobody really eats like something completely different every single day. So you kind of know your caloric intake. You don't have to keep putting it in an app. And it gives you so much more freedom to go out and do whatever you want when you're able to stop tracking, because you don't feel like more restricted. I know not everyone has that mindset, but I know I definitely struggled with it for a really long time, and I still do from time to time, but now I'm more lax with, I don't think like, oh, it's a Tuesday, I can't go out to eat or whatever. Because I used to be like that. Like my Monday through Friday was strict. And then like Saturday, Sunday, I would binge and go crazy and be like, okay, this is my cheat day. Like I'm gonna eat everything. And like I would eat myself sick. Like Sammy and I would literally go out to eat, we'd go get dessert, we'd get this and that, and then we'd like lay down and just be like, oh my God, like why did we do this again? Like we'd literally eat till the point of feeling sick. And then Monday through Friday, it was like strict. Now I kind of just try to go with the flow, and it's so much better. And you don't have to, but for me, I kind of had to go through that to realize like that's not how I want to be for the rest of my life. So you live and you learn. But yeah, this is me now eating ice cream at 10 in the morning because it's good. So yeah, I'll catch up with you in a little while for lunch, but yeah, bye. So I know we're doing a full day of eating, but I just need to show you my outfit because this is literally my like be at home and do nothing outfit. But these pants are amazing. I literally got them at Forever 21 for $12. Hold on. So they're really high waisted. I have them rolled because I'm so short, but they're like these big baggy things, and they're so comfy. Like that's what they look like. But oh my god! And these are my Wonder Woman slippers. Amazing. So yeah, they were literally $12 and they're like the comfiest pants ever. Yeah, that is all I needed to show them because I am obsessed. All right, so I have Real People clothes on now. We've got the Wayland, my mirror is so dirty, I'm sorry, the Wayland sports bra and leggings. Here's back. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat lunch. All right, so we're having a buffalo chicken wrap with shredded lettuce, Laughing Cow cheese, shredded chicken from the crock pot, and buffalo sauce. And we're having a Too Good vanilla Greek yogurt. And yeah, that's lunch right now. All right, guys, so I forgot to show it before, but I had some Skinny Pop as a snack. So that was part of my full day of eating. That's probably my favorite thing ever. If you know me, you know I love Skinny Pop. So anyways, we're getting ready to go to the gym, and I really want a Christmas cookie. That's my pre-workout today, and I'm really sorry that this full day of eating is kind of random and not like super health, but I hope that I show you that I kind of just go with it. And especially the holiday season, like, come on, you gotta enjoy the treats. All right, we have like all these like containers of cookies. I think I'm just gonna have a chocolate chip because there's a lot of those. Pre-workout. So having this cookie. I made these with my mom yesterday. We made like tons of cookies. We did chocolate chip, the ones where you put the peanut butter ones with the Reese's cup in the middle. We did Buckeyes, her specialty. We did regola cookies, cheesecake cookies. What else? Ooh, we did those Oreo balls. They're so good, so easy. Yeah, we made so many cookies. So maybe I'll show you those once they're all like out and done. But yeah, so I'm gonna go work out now. Maybe I'll throw a couple clips in here next, and then I will come back and show you what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. I don't know why I really want breakfast for dinner, so I might do like some kind of egg something. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see you soon. Okay, so we're interrupting this full day of eating to show the greatest cookie making. How many?
200 Buckeyes.
Wow. I'm making half of a Dave's Killer Bread English muffin and half of a Blueberry Dave's Killer Bread bagel because I couldn't decide. And we're making some egg whites, and I'll show you the finished product. Random. And Blueberry Bagel, I have this avocado oil butter and sugar-free strawberry preserves, and then I use sugar-free syrup on my eggs. I'm weird, but try it because it's really good. And this is my random dinner. So, yeah. Hi, guys. So it's the next, and I'm officially worst full day of eating maker ever because I forgot to film my snack at night. All I had were literally some little Lenny's and Larry's, those like little crunchy cookies, and some pretzel thins with I had some almond milk with the cookies. But yeah, that's about it. And then I went to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this full day of eating. Hopefully it gave you some good ideas and showed you that I'm not perfect and I don't eat, you know, just chicken and rice or something like that. So enjoy your holiday season, guys. 80-20. Eat healthy when you can. Enjoy yourself. Don't stress it. And Merry Christmas, because this will probably go up right before Christmas or a little before. I don't know. So Merry Christmas. Hope you guys have a great holiday. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for what's next. I'm not really sure what it's going to be. So, yeah, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.